Hey everyone! Today, we are going to guide you through the entire process of reserving a unique name for your MSIX app on the Microsoft Store and then starting the submission process. These are crucial steps to ensure your app is ready for publishing. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Partner Center Apps and Games page. Once you're there, click on New Product. Next, choose MSIX or PWA app. Now, enter the name you'd like for your app and click Check Availability. If the name is available, you'll see a green check mark. If it's taken, you'll get a message indicating that. Once you've found an available name, click Reserve Product Name. It's important to note that sometimes you may not be able to reserve a name even if it doesn't appear in the Microsoft Store. This often means another developer has already reserved it but hasn't published their app yet. If you have a trademark or legal right to a name that you can't reserve, or if you see another app using it, contact Microsoft. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to successfully reserving a unique name for your app on the Microsoft Store. Now that you've reserved your app name, let's move on to the process of starting and completing a submission for your MSIX app in the Partner Center. This is an essential step for publishing an app in the Microsoft Store. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Application Overview page in the Partner Center App and Games page. Once there, click on Start Submission. A product submission in draft status will appear. This draft includes all the submission steps that need to be completed. The next step is to go to the Pricing and Availability section. Click on the Pricing and Availability page link. In this section, all required data needs to be filled in. Remember to set the base price under Market Groups as it is mandatory. After completing the necessary information, click on Save Draft. This action saves progress and ensures that the data is not lost. Next, go to the Properties page and provide the necessary information. The category field is mandatory, and sometimes a privacy policy URL is required. If a valid privacy policy URL is needed for the submission, indicate this under Support Info. Once all the required information is entered, click on Save. Now, proceed to the Age Ratings page and provide accurate answers to the questions to receive age ratings. If an IRC certificate ID or global rating ID is already available for the app or game, enter it here. After completing the form, click on Preview Ratings. You will be redirected to the Age Ratings preview. If the classification is correct, click on Save and then on Continue. Next, go to the Packages page. Here, there are different options to upload the app's packages. For this example, browse and upload the MSIX bundle and Classic App X bundle files of the packaged app. Once uploaded, these packages will be automatically analyzed for validation. Options for device family availability can be chosen. Once finished, click on Save. Next, go to the Store Listings page. All the required information for at least one of the supported languages must be provided here. This includes the text and images that customers will see in the product's listing. A description and at least one screenshot are required. Once finished, click on Save. The Submission Options page is optional but useful for configuring various aspects of the submission. Navigate to this page if there's a need to configure the submission publishing hold options, add notes for certification, set restricted capabilities, or configure the submission notification audience. Steps guide you through the process of starting the submission, filling in the pricing and availability, properties, age ratings, uploading packages, store listings, and configuring submission options. After all the steps are completed, click on Submit Your App for certification. Once submitted, your app will go through the certification process. Learn more about the certification process for MSIX app in our next video.